For PSM compliance auditing, I think of the OSHA 1910.119 document that really spells out what we should be looking for when we're performing an audit for a particular client. We're going through and really checking to see if they have an end-to-end program and they're not leaving any loopholes. For example, the most identified gap in a PSM program, according to the audits, are tying back in the inspection results. So we go out, we perform the inspections. What are we doing with the results of those inspections, and are we cataloging those and capturing them in our mechanical integrity program? That's the number one find when OSHA goes out and does an audit.